Hey everyone, welcome to the channel where we explore the world of medical devices. In today's video, we will be discussing what exactly qualifies as a medical device. Of course, it is not as simple as it sounds, but by the end of the video, we will have a clear understanding. So, to start off, let's discuss what medical device is. A medical device could be anything that is used for human with a specific medical purpose. It can be an instrument, apparatus, equipment, implant, or even a software. For example, X-ray machines, implants such as coronary stent, blood sample testing kit. So these are few examples of medical devices. Essentially, if a device is made to prevent, diagnose, monitor, or treat any condition or injury in human or to support their anatomy or physiology, could be classified as a medical device. However, there is one important point to be noted that a medical device does not achieve its intended purpose through pharmacological, immunological, or metabolic means. That's what ISO 13485 states. Now, what does this even mean? So, let's discuss it. First, pharmacological action. It could be a drug or medication which interact with enzyme in the body to produce a therapeutic effect. For example, a painkiller. It blocks certain enzyme that cause inflation. Sorry, obviously inflammation. Second, immunological action. It is related to immune system. It could be a substance that modify or stimulate immune system. For example, a vaccine. A vaccine trigger the immune system to fight against specific infection or virus. Okay, and the last, metabolic action. So it is a process of body to convert food into energy. An example could be a insulin. And insulin has a metabolic effect because it helps to regulate the glucose level in the body. So any of the device which achieve its intended purpose via any of the three means that we have just discussed could not be qualified as a medical device as per ISO 13485. There is one another important point to be noted that there are few countries which do recognize medical device as a drug. So if anyone want to sell their medical device in those countries, obviously they need to comply with their local regulations. Okay, so let's take few more example of medical devices. The first, you can see a ureteral stent. So the intended purpose of this ureteral stent is to prevent blockage of the urine. It is placed in the ureter to help the urine pass from kidney to the bladder. So there is no pharmacological, no immunological, and no metabolic action in this stent. Therefore, it qualifies as a medical device, and it is an implant, but not a permanent implant. It's a temporary implant. Second, coronary stent. We'll take an example of drug-eluting stent. Okay, so this stent consists of a mesh-like tube which is mounted on the balloon of a delivery catheter called balloon catheters. Now this stent is implanted through this delivery system and with the help of other accessories including a inflation device which is shown in figure 4. So this inflation device will inflate the balloon and ultimately the stent will get implanted at target site. So the function of the stent is to improve the diameter of artery and to restore the blood flow. And the purpose of the drug is to suppress the immune system so that it won't reject the implanted stent. This drug will act as a supporting system to achieve the intended purpose of the stent. Therefore, it qualifies as a medical devices. The other example is pacemaker. It is an implantable pacemaker. Its function is to restore the heart rate at a normal rate, and it is done by delivering electrical impulse to the heart. So again, there is no pharmacological, immunological or metabolic action. Therefore, this device qualifies as a medical device. Okay, so I hope you have understood what medical device is and the difference between the medical device and medicinal substance. So That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights on medical devices. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comment box, and I will see you later. Tata, bye bye.